Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James, schooloftrade.com, and today's video we're talking more about some of the favorite markets we trade, and in this specific video we're talking about gold futures. Now remember guys, if you're watching this video right now on anything else besides our blog, just click the link below the video. That will take you right to our blog, or just go to sidewaysmarkets.com. You can find all kinds of great live trade calls on gold futures. We do articles, we've written articles on gold futures, lots of great stuff guys there, and more information on gold, crude, euro, pound, everything there at sidewaysmarkets.com. You can also sign up for membership or for our free 3-week trial. But let's talk more about gold here. The symbol is the GC. Okay, now again guys, the GC used to trade, right, NYMEX gold. We used to trade on the NYMEX exchange, but now of course the CME group has now gobbled up the NYMEX, and now symbol GC, right, like Gold Charlie, Gary Charlie on the CME group. Okay, it's going to tick at 0.1 per tick, per point. So of course you'll see it listed as 1200.1. The cost per tick is $10, so it's going to tick in 0.1 increments, and the cost of each tick is 10 USD. Now margin on gold was recently increased to $1,000 per contract because of some good volatility. So $1,000 margin per contract. To trade 4 lots on gold, you'll need 4,000 USD. Now there are lots of reasons why gold is a trader's best friend. It moves with the dollar. So one of the benefits here is I'm going to use the dollar index as a nice healthy correlation. It has large moves and consistent patterns, guys. The gold market is one of the easiest markets to trade because of its dollar correlation, its large consistent patterns, and its great volatility. Now some of the drawbacks is gold will go sideways. But guys, that drawback actually turns into a positive, because if you know how to trade sideways markets like we do, which we do very well with, okay, sideways markets can actually be more profitable, especially on gold. The drawback is you've got to know how to identify them. Right? So be sure to be on the lookout, because gold will have these big moves on it, but then just when you're just getting in to chase after a big move, it'll then go sideways. So make sure we focus on how to identify those sideways markets and then capitalize on them. Now the best time to trade gold will be from 7:45 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, those are the best times to trade gold. Now you will see times on gold at the European Open from 3 a.m. Eastern Time to 6 a.m. Eastern Time. That's the European Open. Okay, but make sure you watch for good volume, right? Decent size and speed, green pace of tape, right? You guys are what you're talking about. Come into the live trade room and I'll show you guys how to look for better volume. Okay, so 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then 7:45 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Our favorite patterns though are the breaker patterns out of those sideways ranges. That's my favorite way of making money on gold. Remember we talked about earlier how the gold tends to go sideways sometimes. Well, when we can read tape, watch for the big buyers, the big sellers, look for the speed to increase on the pace of tape indicator, guys. If we know what we're doing, we're going to then time that market and take those breakout patterns out of those sideways ranges. Okay, it's extremely easy. We'll show you guys live in real time as part of our advanced membership. Now, my favorite time frames. I'll scalp the gold with a 4-range chart like I always do. I'll use a 13 range for my day trading. And then 21 and 34 range charts, I'll use those for my swing trading and my position trading. Don't forget, I can also use 30-minute and 60-minute charts as well. So gold futures, known as, right, gold is one of the trader's best friends. Symbols GC, $10 per tick. It'll take $1,000 per contract for margin. The biggest benefits are those big volatile trading ranges, and I love taking those breaker patterns as we scalp the gold market. Now, if you want more information about gold futures, right below this video is a link that will take you right to the CME group. It'll take you to the specific page for gold futures, and you can learn all about each individual market, its contract specifications. So click the link below the video. That will take you directly to the gold futures page on the CME webpage, and you can learn more about anything you want about gold futures there. All right, as always, our trade room opens up tomorrow morning, 7:45. We'll see you guys then.